What is going on, my good people? This is your main man, Ben here. Happy Friday, folks. Hope you all well, man. It's the weekend. It's going to be fun. Cheer up. This thing's going to be over soon. But today, guys, we got a quick and dirty tech deals. Amazing tech deals. I wish I can turn back time and get this son of a guns because it's just that amazing. Stick around. Okay, there's just a couple of deals we're gonna share today, okay? So first, this camping bag right here, man. Cycling backpacks, for treks. If you go to state treks, this is a good duffel bag, 40 liters, OSPREY. Retails at $120. You can get it for $77, available in 2 colors. And you can pick this up at your local REI. REI is amazing. Bought my first mountain bike there, 29er. The Novara one, and it's amazing. I still have it. It's the mountain bike that was left among the titanium's full suspension. I sold all of those. Keeping my first mountain bike. But this is a good trail duffel bag, man. Check it out. Second one. Remember, we just reviewed the DJI Osmo Mobile. $89, guys. On sale right now. B&H is basically putting up a display of good deals right now, guys. So $89 for the DJI Osmo. I'll post a link here. This is the review that we did in this one. Amazing gimbal for phones. If you like those, utilizing the power of your smartphone, which is pretty amazing, especially those phones that got 8K that just got released. We don't have those, but it's a handy stuff if you're into that. Second deal, DJI Osmo Action, $199. We've been using this, guys. If you follow our vlogs, this is the main rig in our vlog. I put it into the cage and put some mic in it. I paid retail on this guy, man. But you can get this in B&H right now for $199. DJI Osmo Action can shoot 4K uncompromised. Amazing camera with rock steady in it. Again, I'll post a link on my reviews on this thing. Check it out. You won't regret it. Especially this front-facing screen. I'm not stressing. I'm just saying, check it out. One last deal, guys. This right here from Adorama. G85 mirrorless with 1260 OIS and 45-150 for $697. Let me explain it to you. This is the same camera as this one. I paid at least $1,000 for this almost 3 years ago. Just a kit lens, 1260. Main driver for the past couple of years. Vlog brought this in halfway across the world in the Philippines. All weather sealed. You can shoot in light rain. Metal front. This is all metal. Image stabilized in body. Amazing kit. For $697. Get out of here. This is the deal of the year. If you ask me, we're shooting at our A6100 Sony right now. If this has the focusing power of the Sony, I'm grabbing another one. The problem is, it's not like that. Everybody knows in LUMIX arena that the weak spot is the contrast-based autofocus. But in this price perspective, dude, $697, get out. This is an amazing deal. Pick it up. I'm telling you, man. Other than that, guys, that's going to be a quick and dirty here. In Friday, it's amazing. We're still testing our Zoom H6. I'm so excited. We're going to review this son of a gun. So far, I have dabbed a lot of things yesterday. First 24 hours, I was able to make my intro in our podcast, which is amazing. Amazing. We're going to review this thing soon. And please check out our podcast. I'll post a link in the Spotify. You can check that out. And you know what? Be well, guys. I appreciate you watching, man. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Always remember, God is good all the time. Peace out.
Welcome to Ben's podcast.